Good morning and welcome to Patty's Garage. It's June 2026 and we're still working on Scarlet over there. We've been doing some road testing and have found a couple of weak points, so had to order some parts. But meanwhile, we're getting ready to go to Mini Meet East in Asheville, North Carolina, and the men, Indy Blue, white over Indy Blue 2004 Mini Cooper S, needs a little bit of attention before taking our road trip. And one of the projects is to work on the headlights. And as we can see, these things are getting pretty fogged up. They should be much clearer than that. And so I have got, where is it? Over here. I have got the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. I have used this before and found it to be a useful product. So I'm going to use it again here on the Min. And one of the nice things about these early Minis is that, see if I can find it here one-handed. Where are you? There, I found it. Is that the headlights are an integral part to the bonnet. So this makes it real nice and easy to be able to stand up and work on these, or just kind of adjust them down whatever working height you want to work on. Just raising the bonnet up, kind of chest high for me, will make this project nice and easy. What I want to try first, just for fun, is to use a clay bar and just kind of give these things a quick swipe and see if that has any impact at all on the surface coating. I gave it a quick swipe with a clay bar. I would say that it did take off a little bit of surface stuff, because it feels much smoother than. Let me come around over to this one, see if that's. Maybe you can hear it. Versus that, which is nice and quiet. So the clay bar actually took off a little bit of stuff, but it's far from where you really want these to be. So we're going to move on to the Cerakote. The Cerakote kit actually comes with a QR code, so you have a video instructions on what's going on. They, of course, suggest taking a before picture of your headlights that you're going to restore, and then gives a step-by-step process of what you're going to do, and then take an after photo. So that's the process. What comes in the kit is your headlight restoration, your oxidation remover, a couple of sanding discs and a sanding block, if you will, and then step 3, which is a clear ceramic coating, comes with some gloves. And so that's the process. Having done this before, they suggest taping off some of the areas that you don't want restored, any chrome or painted surfaces around the headlights. So these are the parts. So let's go ahead and get going. All right, we've gone through step 1 on both headlights. They kind of go from very yellow and then kind of decreasing. So, and the instructions say that if there's a little yellow left over on the last pad, that's acceptable. And so at that point, we've rinsed it off, move on to the sanding step. Okay, and that's the final product. Came out pretty darn nice, I think. And that is the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. Looking really nice. Got rid of all the yellow, and yeah, happy with the result.